Today, I stand before you not just as a speaker, but as a fellow traveler on this incredible journey through the universe. Our lives are but a fleeting moment in the grand tapestry of existence, and it is in this vast cosmic expanse that we find our purpose, our dreams, and the strength to overcome the challenges that life may throw at us. In the boundless cosmos, we are but tiny specks of stardust floating through the endless realms of space and time. Yet, within each of us lies a universe of untapped potential and boundless energy waiting to be unleashed. It is in this realization that we find our first source of motivation. Think of the stars that light up the night sky, burning fiercely against the darkness. They are not immune to the forces of the universe, nor are they without their moments of struggle. Just like these celestial bodies, we, too, face obstacles and challenges in our journey. For students, especially, the burden of academic stress and the shadow of depression can seem insurmountable. But remember this, even in the darkest of nights, the stars continue to shine. It is during these moments of adversity that we must summon the inner strength to keep our light burning, to persevere in the face of despair. Depression, like a black hole, may try to consume our happiness and hope, but we must resist its gravitational pull. The universe itself teaches us resilience. It reminds us that, despite the vastness of space, we are all interconnected. Just as planets orbit stars and galaxies collide and merge, our lives intersect with others in meaningful ways. Your struggles are not yours alone, they are part of the human experience. When we look up at the night sky, we see a reflection of our own potential. The universe is a testament to the power of time, patience, and transformation. Stars are born from the remnants of others, and galaxies evolve over eons. Similarly, your growth, as students and individuals, is a process that takes time. Each setback is an opportunity to learn, to evolve, and to become stronger. So, my friends, let me remind you that in this cosmic dance, you are not alone. Reach out to your peers, your mentors, and your loved ones. Seek help when needed, for like the stars, we shine brighter together. Your dreams, your aspirations, they are the galaxies waiting to be explored within you. Embrace the challenges of the universe, for they are the crucible in which your character is forged. Let the light of your determination pierce through the darkness of despair, and let your journey through the cosmos be a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Remember, you are made of stardust, and the universe is within you. With unwavering determination and the support of your fellow travelers, you can overcome anything, for the universe itself has shown us that even in the vastness of space, there is room for hope, growth, and boundless possibilities. Thank you, and may your cosmic journey be filled with light and purpose.